today, I'm going to school you on some of the things that you will see at a water loss. In front of you here today are 3 different types of air movers. What an air mover is, it's a fan. We call it an air mover so that we seem smarter and more technical, but these are fans. This is an axial air mover. This is a centrifugal air mover, and this is a radial air mover. Each one of these air movers moves a different amount of air at different speeds. Each one of them pulls a different amount of amperage, and each one of them makes a different amount of noise. Some are quieter, some are louder. What's nice about what we do with Aquire is we'll send somebody out to your particular water loss. We call that person an estimator. That person's going to come out and determine which one of these or which combination of these is going to work best and be most efficient in your particular scenario. That efficiency, along with Acquire's 35% discount on all their equipment, is going to save you money and it's going to save your insurance company money. It's a no-brainer.